Dear students, see the next one, class 11, unit and measurement chapter, NCERT example problem 2.25. Okay, it is actually additional problem. Okay, it's an additional problem. So 2.25. See the question. A man walking briskly in rain with the speed v must slant his umbrella forward. He's making an angle theta with the vertical. Okay, nothing. ஒரு நபர் வந்து என்ன பண்ணாருன்னா briska is walking in the rain. Okay, it is like some person. Okay, so walking in the rain. It's walking in the rain like this. Okay, right. With the speed v, it's moving with the speed is v. That is the velocity of that man. Okay, and then he must slant his umbrella forward, making an angle theta with the vertical. So actually he's making an angle. Suppose let us imagine now you are moving very fastly in the rain. Okay, even the rain to move towards the earth as a vertical position. If you are also standing position means no issues. Okay, the train also, I mean the train also vertical position, as well as your umbrella also vertical position, but you are not interested now. Now you are moving with some speed. Okay, so you have experience, I know. So whenever you are moving very fastly in the train, so you have to tilt your umbrella. Okay, so with the vertical position, that umbrella is tilted like this. It's a theta. It is actually it is a actual rain. Okay, at the rest position rain direction vertical. Okay, but while moving, that direction is changed as a theta with the vertical position. Okay, so in this situation, this is the situation. A students derive the following relations between theta and v. ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்றாருன்னா இந்த ஆங்கிளுக்கும் விக்கும் உள்ள ரிலேஷன் வந்து டிரைவ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாரு. ஓகே, அந்த டெரிவேஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னா tan theta equal to v னு derive பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. Okay, so see this in the solution. So tan theta equal to v, this is derived by the students. Whether it is correct or not, we have to check it hereafter. Okay, so check this relation and the correct limit v is tends to 0, like that theta is tends to 0. Okay, இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் கரெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க, கரெக்டாக இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. When velocity 0 na theta also 0, that is correct only. No, velocity 0, so the angle is 0. Okay, that's okay as expressed. Okay, so we are assuming there is no strong wind. So let us imagine, it's a very important part. Okay, there is no strong wind. அப்போ ஈவன் தி ரெஸ்ட் பொசிஷனில் நின்னாலும் ரெயின் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக தான் விழுவும். ஓகே, வெர்டிக்கலாக தான் விழுவும். And that the rain falls vertically for the stationary man. Okay, this is the situation. So do you think this relation can be correct? Correct கேட்குறாங்க. If not, ஒருவேளை wrong இல்லை, I mean it will be wrong means guess the correct relation. Okay, if it is wrong means which is correct relation. Okay, right. So shall we find out now? Okay, so this is the equation. It is done by the student. Okay, so this is the situation. Okay, now let us imagine initially, actually it is what, this is the rain direction actually. Okay, actual rain direction, this one. Okay, but what happened while you moving very fastly, the rain is, you feel opposite to you, it will be hit on you. Okay, like this, correct or not? Okay, so now I'll explain one more time. So now this is the man walking direction. Actually, you know, this is velocity of the man. Okay, so now the man is here. Okay, so this is, you know, umbrella. This umbrella. Okay, it's umbrella direction. Why umbrella direction is tilted condition? Because actual train இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். ஆனால் என்ன ஆகும், while you walk, this direction is changes as a resultant. So up in it is a right direction now. It is a resultant direction, but actual right direction, here like this. Okay. So for logical purpose only I am explaining. Okay, here vector concept is there. Okay, in the next lesson, in the fourth lesson, we are discussing about the vector concept. Okay, so this is actually velocity of the rain. Okay, so they mention as theta angle is theta angle with vertical. So this is the theta angle with the vertical. So this is velocity of the man. This one considered as velocity of the rain. So this is theta. So the students found tan theta. So what will come here, tan theta? So tan theta is equal to, tan theta is equal to what? Opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite what? R. So velocity of the man. So velocity of the man divided by adjacent. Adjacent value what? Velocity of the rain. Okay. So now this is the correct. Then how I know this is correct? One more idea. See that. Let's take this is found by that boy. Here trigonometry. So trigonometry range, there is no dimension formula. Okay, here left side no dimensional formula. But right side, see that velocity dimension formula, that is LT minus 1. So it is not equal. So this is equation is wrong. Okay, but if you observe here LT minus 1, here also LT minus 1 will be cancelled. So both side no dimension formula. So this equation is corrected equation. It is correct. Okay, thank you.